I have this large piece of cardboard and I'm going to start by painting it in black Wise Owl paint. I'm going to cover most of it, but I don't need to cover the entire thing. Once that dries, I'm going to go on top of that with the Wise Owl goldenrod. I'm just dry brushing. I found this metal beehive wreath form. I'm sure you've seen this before. I got it from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to lay it down on my cardboard where the paint is, and I'm going to use my X-Acto blade to cut it. Now this cardboard isn't very thick, so this worked perfect. It's kind of hard to adhere metal to cardboard with the hot glue, and I didn't have the patience for stronger glue to dry. But that is also an option. Once I had it cut out, I have this floral wire. You could barely see it in the video. That's how good it blends. And I'm going to poke 2 holes on the front of the cardboard, wrap it around the metal wreath form, and then tighten it on the back side. And I did this on one of the frames on the left side, one on the right side, and I also did one at the top. But this held the cardboard there perfect. I found these LED battery string lights from the Dollar Tree. There's 10 bee lights on them. And the bee pops off and there's this little plastic backing. So I'm going to drill holes throughout the beehive. And I'm going to place that little plastic bee piece that comes off of the string light into each hole. Now you want to make sure that little plastic piece that goes on the back, you keep those because that's what's going to hold the string light in. Now you really do kind of want to plan this out. You should drill 1 hole at a time. I got lucky here. But after I drill a hole, you want to place the light into the back of the bee and then use that little plastic piece to hold it down. And you want to make sure you space your holes that you're drilling enough so that the string light can reach them. So I did 4 holes here without really thinking of that, which again, it worked out fine. But I do recommend that you drill 1 hole at a time so you know exactly where your next hole should be. And I did that until I had all 10 bees drilled into my beehive. I found this cute Be Kind sign from Dollar General. I'm going to take 2 screw-eye hooks and screw them into the bottom of the fencing. I'm then going to take 2 pieces of jute, making them the same length, and I'm going to string those through the screw-eye hooks that I attached to the sign and then meet them in a V shape to the top of the hive. So I'm going to flip everything over so now you see the back side of everything. I'm going to hold the jute and put some hot glue there and then use my little Dollar Tree clamps to hold the jute while that hot glue dries. Now you do want a good amount of hot glue. You want this to be nice and strong. I added batteries to my battery pack and then I'm gluing down the back side of the battery pack. I can still access the batteries and change them when needed. I added some greenery to the top. This greenery came right from the Dollar Tree. I made a little bow using some bee ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And there you go, nice and simple, mostly Dollar Tree items. I hope you give it a try. Paint products, tissue paper, craft supplies, and our monthly subscription can all be found at chalkedupfancy.com. Have a great day.